Imagine a computer so powerful that it could design new medicines, clean up pollution, or even build materials that repair themselves. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, Microsoft just took a giant leap to make it real with their brand new quantum chip, the Majorana one. And today, we're breaking it all down in a way that's easy to understand, so stick around. Okay, so let's start simple. Regular computers, like your phone, laptop, or even supercomputers, all use tiny bits of information, either a 1 or 0. Think of it like a light switch. It's either on or off, but quantum computers, they're a whole different game. Instead of just 1s and 0s, they use qubits, which can be both at the same time. That means they can solve insanely complex problems way, way faster than normal computers. Now, quantum computers aren't new, but they've had a big problem. They're super unstable. They need crazy conditions like temperatures colder than outer space just to work properly. But Microsoft found a solution. They invented a new material called a topoconductor. Yeah, fancy word. That helps quantum chips be way more reliable. The Majorana 1 chip is the first of its kind to use this breakthrough, and it could be a game changer. So, what does this mean for you and me? Well, quantum computers with 1 million qubits, which Microsoft says they're working towards, could solve problems that today's computers can't even dream of. Like creating new medicines in days instead of decades, designing materials that can fix themselves. Imagine your cracked phone screen healing itself, finding ways to break down pollution and make the world cleaner. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? Microsoft says this future is just years away, not decades. Quantum computing is still in its early days, but Majorana 1 is a massive step forward. Microsoft is already working with scientists and companies to make this tech practical. And who knows? Maybe in a few years, quantum computers will be in our everyday lives just like smartphones are now. Are you excited about quantum computing? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video.